How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2013 Acura RDX with tech package. So 3.5 V6 in this thing, and it drives really good. Pirelli Scorpion tires, plenty of tread left on them. So it's loaded up, pretty much got leather. So a couple of scratches here on the back trunk. Just want to try to point those out. But besides that, exterior in really good shape. Interior is really good shape. Do a quick walk around video here, and you can check out the interior. Tan leather. So it has sunroof with the tech package. It's going to have leather, backup camera, nav, the DVD system in here. Really nice little two-row SUV. See, seats are in great shape. Sometimes these older Acuras, they tend to wear a little bit, but push button start her up. And if there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know anybody interested, or if you have an Acura, Lexus, luxury vehicle, domestic or foreign, give us a shout. 228-438-2056. We also have a repair shop on premises. Thanks for checking out our video.